Teacher, paturo nga po if paano mag-heal ng mas mabilis. Char! Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking channel guys. So for today's video guys, I just wanna say thank you to all of you sa mga nanonood ng videos guys. Maraming salamat po guys sa inyong lahat. At sa mga nag-comments, nababasa ko po yung mga komento niyo po. Sa mga hindi na-replyan, will try my best to filter. Nagbabasa ako ng mga comments guys. At may isa ditong nagtatanong. Sabi niya, Teacher, paturo nga po if paano mag-heal ng mas mabilis. Char! Well anyway guys, I'm not really good sa mga mag-advise ganyan. Ang gagawin daw niyan guys is kung paano mabilis mag-move on, all you have to do, you have to make yourself busy. Huwag kang laging nakamukmuk dyan sa bahay mo kasi pag wala kang ginagawa, maiisip mo siya lagi. May isip mo, naintindihan mo, may isip mo lagi yan pag nakamukmuk ka dyan. Paano ka mag-move on, oy? Ganyan. Pumunta ka dun sa labas, you can eat outside, you can invite your friends, your close friends. If you have best friend, you can invite. Go somewhere and eat. Go exercise. Mag-workout ka. Gagawin mo yung mga hindi mo nagagawa dati. Why don't you try it now? English. So, something like that, guys. You have to make yourself busy, guys. And of course, para hindi mo siya maisip, you have to make something new. Something na, like, say, for example, if you are good in cooking, why don't you try to cook? Why don't you try to bake? And why don't you try to watch Korean series like me? Like, I always watch Korean series. Yung pan ko baga, everyday may pinapanood ka at hindi mo mamalayan, guys, na hindi mo na siya maiisip ba? Kasi, pag lagi ka lang nakabukmuk dyan at lagi kang nakatuon, especially may mga nakadikit pa dyan ng mga pictures sa wall, hindi mo tinatapon. If you have something like, yun nga sinasabi nila na it's really hard to forget someone who gave you too much to remember. Parang ganyan ba? So it's very difficult talaga guys, especially if you have a really good memories, you know. Shall we say 90% napakaganda yung mga memories na nangyari sa buhay niyo. Of course, it's very difficult to forget that person. So ang gagawin niyo na lang guys, i-accept niyo na lang guys. Basta if you think that hindi na talaga siya mag-work, the best thing to do guys is to accept. For example, meron na talaga siyang iba. You have to accept it, and then I know and I understand that it's very difficult nga hilang atong kasing-kasing. It takes so long. Meron kasing iba na mabilis ganito ang gagawin mo, pero mahirap ka sa sinasabihan mo kasi wala ka sa kinalalagyan nila. You cannot say like that easily kasi hindi mo na experience. So you just have to yun lang, make yourself busy lang, and then i-accept mo na lang na ganito talaga, hindi siya nag-work. So ano yung mga sa tingin mo na mali mo dati, so pwede mo nang makorek. So ang gagawin nyo na lang is yung lesson learned ba? Kung ano yung mga na-experience nyo, mga sa tingin nyo na pagkakamali nyo dati, so makukorek nyo na. Kung baga, you should be thankful to that person, nagpapasalamat ka, may something na nagbago, ganyan. Because of him or her, nagbago lahat. May nagbabago. So yun lang guys ang pinakamagandang tips guys. You have to make yourself busy guys. Para one day guys, hindi mo na siya maiisip. Exercise, go somewhere you don't know, you can meet someone there. So, thank you so much for watching guys. Maraming salamat. Make yourself busy na lang. Kasi one day makakalimutan mo din siya. Pagagaw.